Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making us a body scrub, foot scrub, whatever you want to use it for. So I'm going to be using honey, olive oil, grapeseed oil. I have my peppermint oil and sugar, and of course a container to make it all in. So what I'm going to do first is add the sugar. Now what I noticed is this sugar is really hard and rough, so it's definitely gonna get your dead skin off. Well, I'm using it for my heels, y'all, so it's definitely gonna get the dead skin off. Then I'm just gonna add some honey, and that's just gonna, soften it. And this is like raw honey. You can use any honey, but raw honey is pretty cool. Okay, so then I'm just gonna add the rest of my ingredients. Now listen, Linda. I don't know the correct measurements for this, but to make it perfect, all you have to do is guesstimate. With this project, all you have to do is guesstimate all your ingredients, girl. You don't have to measure nothing, and you're going to get the right consistency. So anyways, as you can see, I'm adding more as I go along because my sugar is not getting thick like I like it. So you just continue to add more ingredients till it gets to where you want it. Now this is water. I ended up adding water to it. You can never go wrong with water. And water was like the finishing touch. As y'all can see, it's already turning pasty, kind of like I want it. Okay, y'all, so I decided to make this scrub because I really need my feet scrub. I'm not even gonna lie, my heels are ridiculous, and I don't like to really go to get my toes done, so I just do it myself. So this is the scrub that gets like a lot of dead skin off. And be prepared because I'm about to show y'all my crusty heels. So on the left side I already did the scrub, and on the right side is just the hot mess. So as you can see, the scrub definitely works. Feel free to use this. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.